Welcome, seekers of the stars. I am Dr. Orion Voss, quantum physicist and student of the ancient sky maps we call astrology. Tonight, we journey beyond both the laboratory and the horoscope into a realm where quantum mechanics, cosmic patterns, and the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence converge.
And I am Luna Ilara, xenobiologist and researcher of consciousness across scales. What if the planets do not merely pull on us through gravity, but participate in a far subtler information network, one that quantum entanglement has only begun to reveal?
Let us begin with the quantum foundation. In the microscopic world, particles can become entangled. The state of one instantly correlates with another, regardless of distance. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Yet experiment after experiment confirms it. Information appears non-local.
Now, consider the sky. Astrology has long claimed that the positions of planets and stars at the moment of birth encode patterns that resonate throughout a life. Critics say this is coincidence or confirmation bias. But what if those planetary configurations are nodes in a vast quantum field, a cosmic web of information?
Yet experiment after experiment confirms it. Information appears non-local. The cosmic web itself is real. Galaxies are not scattered randomly. They form filaments and nodes of dark matter and baryonic gas spanning hundreds of millions of light years. Gravity sculpts this structure, yet quantum fluctuations from the earliest moments of the universe seeded it. The large and the small are linked from the beginning.
Here is where alien life enters. If consciousness or complex information processing arises from quantum processes, as some theories of mind propose, then advanced civilizations might deliberately tune into or even engineer these non local correlations. Astrology, in this light, could be a primitive human attempt to read a language that extraterrestrials have long mastered.
Imagine an intelligence that no longer needs radio waves or lasers. Instead, it modulates the quantum vacuum or uses gravitational and electromagnetic alignments as carriers of meaning. Planetary synodic cycles, the repeating dances of Jupiter and Saturn, or the nodes of the moon might serve as natural clocks and antennas for such communication.
Panspermia already suggests life, or at least its molecular precursors, travels between worlds on comets and dust. Quantum coherence in biological systems, observed in photosynthesis and possibly avian navigation, hints that life itself exploits quantum effects. Extraterrestrial biology could be far more quantum native than ours.
In the double slit experiment, the act of observation collapses possibilities into actuality. Some interpret this as consciousness participating in reality. Extend that idea cosmically, the collective observation of intelligent species across the galaxy might continuously shape the probability amplitudes of events. Astrology would then be a local decoding of those global wave functions.
We must remain rigorous. Correlation is not causation. Yet the coincidence of quantum non locality, the hierarchical structure of the cosmos, and the persistent human intuition of stellar influence is striking. Perhaps the sky is not a clockwork, but a living information ecology.
Astrology would then be a local decoding of those global wave functions. Advanced extraterrestrial civilizations may treat star systems the way we treat computer networks. Alignments become packets, retrograde motions become phase shifts, eclipses become encryption events. What we call a birth chart could be a partial snapshot of a much larger data stream.
And if that is so, then the search for alien life is not only a matter of detecting biosignatures or technosignatures in spectra. It is also a matter of learning to read the quantum astro signal that may already be washing over us. Subtle, statistical, yet potentially meaningful.
The universe is stranger than either pure materialism or pure mysticism allows. Quantum mechanics opens doors that classical physics closed. Astrology, stripped of superstition and refined by data, may one day stand as an empirical interface between mind, matter, and the stars.
So look up tonight, not merely with wonder, but with the quiet recognition that the patterns above may be conversations, ongoing, non local, and shared with minds we have yet to meet. The lecture ends, but the inquiry has only begun.
Thank you for traveling with us through quantum fields, cosmic webs, and the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence. May your observations remain both precise and open.